would knock a human unconscious. He's drilled 1,000 holes into this dead oak tree, and in each hole he jams a nut. His head whacks into the nuts with so much force it would knock a human unconscious. This job's perfect for a bird with obsessive-compulsive tendencies. A hungry squirrel spots the unattended tree full of nuts. It's just too tempting. But risking retaliation from a beak that can jackhammer solid wood is a bad idea if you don't have a thick skin. And if your skull's so thick you haven't learned your lesson the first time, the woodpecker's happy to teach the lesson again and again until you do.